All right, so we've got our hanging, which is gonna help us increase that range of motion. Gravity obviously goes down, and we spend most of our time in an internally rotated position. So by essentially just hanging from a bar, we're forcing ourselves to open up through the thoracic and extend that shoulder. So one thing, super easy thing to do, jump up on a bar, literally just hang out there, try and see how long you can do, maybe 2-3 minutes, and just let gravity do its thing. Lengthen out the triceps, lengthen out the lats, subscap, all those nice shoulder muscles. So we can go either 2 hands to start with. We can also play around with supinating our grip. So by supinating our grip, we're forcing ourselves into more external rotation. Therefore, it's going to make it a lot more intense across the shoulder joint, because all of our internal rotators are now going to have to be lengthened under load. We can increase the intensity by going one hand, or we can decrease the intensity by putting something under our feet. Now, if we want to isolate the lat a little bit more, we can put our feet on the floor and just hang from the bar and almost like try and push our hips out. So now we're changing sort of the angle of gravity, and now we're starting to get a lot more strength, stretch through the lats as opposed to just straight up and down. So you'll feel all these intercostals and the lat insertion origins start to really stretch under load.